Searching for strategies to augment your cash flow? Desiring to explore fresh prospects? Well, we have the perfect solution for you. Welcome to MoneyMates, your pathway to fiscal independence. In this digital era, the World Wide Web offers limitless opportunities to generate income from the comfort of your home. We, at MoneyMates, are here to guide you through the maze of online earning, helping you find the right avenues as per your skills, interests, and time availability. We've conducted extensive research, analyzed trends and data, and compiled a comprehensive list that suits a variety of needs. Today, we're delving into an extensive discussion on the unlimited domain of online earning, presenting you with 5 meticulously researched and proven ways to boost your cash inflow. First on our list is freelancing. Upwork, Fiverr, and several other digital marketplaces serve as excellent platforms to display your distinct abilities. In today's world, each individual possesses an exclusive set of skills, be it in writing, graphic design, coding, or any other field. These platforms act as a bridge, linking those who have skills to those who need them. They give you the freedom to choose projects that resonate with your interests and abilities. As a freelancer, you have the privilege of picking your clients and projects. This flexibility allows you to be in control of your work, catering to your passion and lifestyle. By focusing projects that align with your skills and interests, you can make a living doing something you genuinely enjoy. By taking projects that match your skill set, you can earn money while doing what you love. Next, we have online courses and ebooks. The digital world offers immense opportunities to earn and educate simultaneously, and platforms such as Udemy or Amazon Kindle are perfect examples. They offer a medium for individuals to share their knowledge, skills, and expertise with the world. Here's how it works. You identify a specific niche, a topic subject matter you're well-versed in and passionate about. Then you create comprehensive and engaging online courses or ebooks centered around this niche. People from all corners of the globe, eager to gain knowledge or refine their skills, can access your content. As they learn from you, you earn. It's an ideal blend of passion, profession, and philanthropy. It's not just about earning money, it's also about sharing your passion and helping others grow. Thirdly, we delve into the world of affiliate marketing, a unique and lucrative field that intertwines business and creativity. It is a strategy that involves forming a symbiotic relationship with companies by mutually benefiting from promoting their products or services. As an affiliate, you become a crucial part of the company's marketing strategy, offering your platform as a space for advertisement and promotion. What makes affiliate marketing an exciting endeavor is its reciprocity. Here's how it works. Each product or service sold through your exclusive affiliate link results in monetary gain for you. It essentially transforms every click on your platform into potential earnings. This commission-based system provides a continuous stream, rewarding your marketing efforts. Above all, affiliate marketing offers a multifaceted benefit. Not only does it let you monetize your online presence, but it also allows you to turn your passion into profit. It's a fantastic way to monetize your online presence and turn your passion into profit. Our fourth strategy is e-commerce and dropshipping. At the heart of this strategy is the use of platforms such as Shopify that have the way we conduct online business by providing easy-to-use tools to create your personal online store. Dropshipping, an integral part of this approach, allows entrepreneurs the luxury of selling a vast array of products without the burden and complications of inventory management. The focus instead shifts to finding trustworthy suppliers who can deliver quality products punctually. Also essential to the success of this strategy is the development and implementation of a robust marketing strategy. This involves careful market research, creative advertising, targeted promotions, and exceptional customer service. With these components in place, you're set to watch the sales roll in. Last but not least, we have stock photography and videos. This arena is for those among you whose fingers are always itching to click that perfect shot, whose eyes are to capture the world in a different light. If you've always found yourself admiring the beauty of a dew-kissed flower at dawn, or the majestic flight of a bird against the setting sun, if you are someone who believes their camera lens is an extension of their soul, then websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock are for you. These platforms have revolutionized the of digital media, transforming personal passion into a source of income. All you have to do is upload your high-quality photos and videos. With every image you share, you open a door to a global audience. It's a brilliant way to monetize your talents and earn passive income as you curate and build your portfolio of compelling visuals. So there you have it, 5 proven ways to make money online. Freelancing is a great start. It's flexible and requires skills you already have. Creating and selling online courses or ebooks is next. This method capitalizes on your expertise. Affiliate marketing is the third method. It's about promoting products and earning commissions. E-commerce and dropshipping, our fourth method, involves selling directly to consumers without storing inventory. Finally, selling stock photography and videos use your creativity for income. The internet is a vast marketplace full of opportunities. You just need to find what suits your skills and interests and plunge into it. So why wait? Start your online journey today. Thank you for tuning in, and here's to your success.